So hello everyone, this is Shanku. Welcome to my channel Shanku Journal. And as you previously know, you have to do 1 and 5 questions that are compulsory and 3 questions from the other section and 1 question from each section is compulsory. So let's go. This question is 2021 Botany optional paper 2, and this is section 1 paper, and this question 1 is compulsory. You have to do A, B, C, D and E, and each one is having 10 marks. So question number 1, option A is cell adhesion molecules. This is 10 marks. B is ribosomal RNA processing in nucleolus, 10 marks. Genetic consequences of inversion, 10 marks. Gene silencing, 10 marks. And use of apomixis in plant breeding, 10 marks. Question number 2 also having 3 options. The first one is describe types and composition of chromatin. How is DNA packed in a eukaryotic cell, 10 plus 10, 20 marks. Explain coupling and repulsion hypothesis in linkage. Give a brief account of procedures used in preparing a chromosome map with the help of 3-point test cross, 5 plus 10, 15. Option C is what do you understand by standard deviation and coefficient of variation? Discuss their significance, 10 plus 5. So this is question number 3, and this one is also having 3 options. So option A is describe properties of genetic code and briefly explain Abel hypothesis, 15 plus 5 total 20. Option B, what are the characteristic features of cytoplasmic inheritance? Describe the role of chloroplast. Describe the role of chloroplast and mitochondrial genes in this inheritance, 7 plus 8, 15. Option C is discuss the biosafety concerns of transgenic plants, 15 marks. The option 4 is also having 3 options. Option A is describe various methods of gene transfer in plants, 20 marks. Option B is give an account of operator model for regulation of gene activity. This is option B and 15 marks. Question number C is option number C is explain the process of cell signaling, highlighting the role of various signaling molecules, 15 marks. The question number 4, option C is explain the process of cell signaling, highlighting the role of various signaling molecules, 15 marks. This one is section B, question number 5. This is compulsory, and this one is 5 options, 18 marks each. Question number 5, option A, alkaloids and their significance, 10 marks. Role of growth substances in agriculture, 10 marks. Option C, plant indicators, 10 marks. Option D, invasive species and their characteristic, 10 marks. IUCN red data list categories, 10 marks. So these are all compulsory. Now question number 6. This question number 6 is also have 3 options, A, B and C. A is describe C4 cycle of photosynthesis and differentiate among C3, C4 and chem plants. This is 10 plus 10, total 20. Option B is define vernalization, discuss its mechanism and importance, 5 plus 10, total 15. Option C is what is biological nitrogen fixation and describe root nodule formation and role of nitrogenous complex in fixing nitrogen, 5 plus 5 plus 5. So what is biological nitrogen fixation is 5, describe the root nodule formation is 5, and role of nitrogenous complex in fixing nitrogen is 5. Question number 7. Question number 7 is also having 3 options, A, B and C. A is question number 7. Option A is what is unique in Indian plant diversity? What is unique of Indian plant biodiversity, 5 marks. Discuss briefly the threats and various conservation strategies, 15 marks, total 20 marks. Option B is what is social forestry? Explain its type and benefits, 5 plus 10. Social forestry is 5, types is 5 and benefits is 5, total 15. Question number C is Give a brief account of ecological pyramid and describe ecological factors and their significance in plants. Brief account of ecological pyramids 5 and describe ecological factors and their significance in plants is 10, total 15 marks. So this is question number A. This one is also having 3 options, A, B and C. Question number 8, option A is what are the different types and causes of seed dormancy? Describe various methods of seeds used to overcome it. Describe various methods used to overcome it. It is an ecological adaptation. Is it an ecological adaptation? So what are the different type and causes of seed dormancy is 10 marks. Describe various methods used to overcome it is 5 marks. And is it an ecological adaptation? 5 marks, total 20 marks. Question number B is describe the concept of describe the concept of sustainable development, highlighting its objective and importance, total 15 marks. The question number 8, option C is describe in detail the endemism, highlighting its categories, cause of endemism and conservation priorities. So this one is having a lot of questions. Describe the detailed endemism. Okay, endemism, highlight its categories. Categories, you have to tell the categories, cause of endemism and conservation. So you have to write 3 notes of endemism of categories. So you have to explain categories, 5 marks, cause of endemism 5 marks, and conservation priorities is also 5 marks. So these are all the questions, as you can see. So this is question section B. This one having 4 questions, 1 is compulsory and rest of the 3 you can choose any one. And for section A, question number 1 is compulsory and 2, 3 and 4 you have to choose any one also compulsory and any other 3 from any other one of them. So this is the all question from the civil service mains examination 2021, subject botany and paper 2. I'll see you in the next one, and if you want to see more questions, see my other videos, and I'll upload a compilation of all these things. So thank you, give it a subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a like. I'll see you in the next one.